On your top right icon, click on your profile picture. Please click on your channel. On your right top, you can see Customize Channel and Manage Video. Please click on Customize Channel. Then click on the tab, Basic Info. Then, under Channel URL, below you can see Set a custom URL for your channel. Click on the blue words. You can either use custom URL, which is default provided by YouTube, based on your channel name, or you can add unique characters after your channel name. Final step. After customize the URL, just click Publish. Then click Confirm. That's all simple.